Why?
So we can resupply, so we get a nuke.
Alright.
They're coming in the south side of commercial.
Let's sit in the very back.
Keep up accurate armor marks. Those are good.
But Daniel, what do you expect me to do with an SKS against?
Okay, I guess
Oh,
we're
you shoot
loading
the
up this
motorbike in
thing.
the engine. You can just knock it out like with
Okay.
your gun.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can knock out the engine, but that's not going to get it to respawn.
Yeah, it will.
Wait,
It'll
did
just
I
keep
turn off the
like
engine?
counting it.
I did. Why was it so? Okay, let's get you like a Cadillac, but it's an IED. Like the, you know the,
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah,
like the
just
things
fill
that
the
people
front. Yep,
steal
yep,
all the
yep.
time.
Yeah.
We got this. Easy dubs.
Okay, so
Bro, why do we not have a fucking?
and then
land
your
guy?
your headlights. Wait, can I put it on the headlights? Wait.
Try. Make sure it doesn't go on
This
the
is
ground.
we're
though. Make sure it doesn't
magicians
go on the
here.
ground.
Yeah, make sure it's clearly not on the ground.
I hear neighbors coming from the south. We gotta go fast. Do you hear that? It's
Okay.
coming towards us.
Tank, you're being
Yeah, they
flanked
heard
right now.
reports of a local
Yeah, they're
gang
saying tank
setting up
is
Being behind.
flanking from the south.
Watch.
They're warning our T62. Hey, we'll try to get it with an IED, Dishka. But
Two sentences. I would not think I would.
two more.
Do more. I'll put them in the back.
Oh my God, it's coming close. You know what? One more is fine. Is that all you have? Yeah, the
I
ammo
think it
crate.
sees
The
us.
ammo crate hasn't been dug. It hasn't. It does. Is it looking at me? No, it's looking at the tank. It's looking at the T62.
Okay, get it from behind. Go.
It's killing our
Okay.
T62. Allah
Daniel,
Akbar!
Daniel.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar!